A rolling prototype with a hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine that will excite motorsport fans. Following on from the Alpine Alpenglow concept car presented at the 2022 Paris Motor Show, the Alpine Alpenglow Rolling Lab Hy4 proves by running on a racetrack that performance and sustainable development are compatible, with the added thrill of the sound of an internal combustion engine. Its name combines the notion of hydrogen high and 4 for 4 cylinders. Alpine is reconciling environmental innovation and performance through its hydrogen combustion engine technology. This technology offers a new approach to decarbonizing motor racing and a possible avenue for sports cars. Alpenglow is currently fitted with a 4-cylinder development engine, a working phase before the presentation of an all-new V6 engine specifically designed to be powered by hydrogen, developed entirely by Alpine. It will be unveiled in a second rolling version before the end of the year. The hydrogen-powered Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 prototype further refines its design, like a reference to a future hypercar, bridging the gap between racing and the road. It now has a 2-seater cockpit and adopts several features synonymous with performance, such as a proper racing steering wheel and new wheel rims, evoking a sense of speed. Its design also reveals many hints of the brand's future stylistic evolutions. The first rolling version of the Alpine Alpenglow prototype, named Hy4, will be presented at the Spa-Francorchamps circuit on the 10th of May 2024, before it takes to the track for the first time on the 11th of May, for the sold-out Total Energies 6 hours of Spa-Francorchamps endurance race. It will also make demonstration runs at the 92nd edition of the 24 Hours of Le Mans on 14 and the 15th of June 2024. Today, the Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 is no longer just a concept car, but has become a genuine rolling lab designed as a racing car with its carbon monocoque and turbocharged 2.0-litre 4-cylinder engine develops 340 GP. After a presentation within the confines of the circuit on the 10th of May, Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 will make its public debut on the 11th of May 2024 before the Total Energy 6 hours of Spa-Francorchamps endurance race, FIA WEC, and its 70,000 plus spectators. It will be the perfect opportunity to demonstrate to motorsport enthusiasts how a hydrogen-powered internal combustion engine perpetuates the sounds and vibrancy that are the emotional aspects of a racing car. The feeling is intensified by the very spectacular design of the Alpine Alpenglow Hy4, which is further enhanced in this version. Alpine Alpenglow Hy4 will also make demonstration runs during the 92nd edition of the 24 Hours of Le Mans on 14 and the 15th of June 2024.